we discuss about unit step function. Unit step function. So this one is defined as u of t minus a in the interval t less than or equal to a, then the function is 0, and 1 when t is greater than a. So here in electrical and electronic branches, people uses the diagram. So here we consider this as t and this one as the function u of t minus a. So here after we are getting into the classroom or some other switching on the light, after getting into the house after some seconds or some minutes. So that timing we do not know. So the timing we consider as a, and the current is supplied to the circuit after this a. So here till this current is switched off, the circuit power is supplied to the circuit. So light will switch on or fan switch on till the end of the timing. So here we are expressing this t is greater than a, then the u of t minus a is 1, otherwise it is 0. So similarly, so we can write the another diagram, we can draw the another diagram. So we have the limits when current is switched on and it is light is switched off after some time, and here we have the limits 1 between these 2 points a and b. So this one we can express it as this. It can be written as u of t minus a minus this limit is u of t minus b. So here if we apply the Laplace for this function, what happens? So here Laplace of f of t, we know the definition, integral over 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t dt. So here f of t is nothing but u of t minus a. If we apply this limit, we get e power minus st, and f of t, instead of f of t we write it as u of t minus a into dt. We have the definition of Laplace for the function f of t. So here we have t minus a. So this t minus a we must replace it to t, then we can apply the Laplace transformation. So that's why what we must do, we must replace, put t equal to t plus a. So if you apply t equal to t plus a, then we can write it this as limit integration. Here dt remains same, and if you apply the limits 0 and the upper limit infinity is infinity, and here e power minus s t is replaced as t plus a and u of t dt. So here this is nothing but function of t. Now we can write it this as integral over 0 to infinity e power minus st into e power minus as into u of t dt. So here by referring the definition of the Laplace transformation, we can write this as e power minus as. The remaining term is nothing but in the form of a definition. So we can write it this as e power minus as into f of s. So this is Laplace of u of t minus a. Any problem, okay, we must write it in the expression of e power minus as into f of s. Suppose we have the function in the form of Laplace of f of t minus a into u of t minus a, then for this limit we can express using the above property e power minus as, and this one we can write it as Laplace of this one. We do not have the Laplace for f of t minus a. First we must modify this one as t equal to t plus a, so that we can write it this as f of t by replacing t as t plus a. So this t plus a is based on u of t minus a. Now after, if we know the function of this one, we can write the answer for this problem. After simplifying the f of t, we can write it as e power minus as into f of s. So this both we must remember for solving the problems. So this is the one, and another one is this one. When we are discussing the problems on unit step function, so here this unit step function uses, we can solve the problem without applying the integration in the problems. So here what we can do, so suppose the question is find the Laplace transform for f of t. F of t is, we have the function in terms of f1 of t, f2 of t, f3 of t. So here the limit may be 1 less than t less than or equal to 2. Otherwise we can write it as a, then up to b. So then b less than t less than or equal to c, then t is greater than c. This one I have taken for some example how to solve the problem. So if we know this concept, we can easily solve the problems. For this one, first we must express f of t. So by using the definition of Laplace unit step function, f1 of t function should be written in terms of into the limit u of t minus a, minus, here upper limit b is there, so here we must write u of t minus b is there, so we open and close the bracket for this one, plus f2 of t into the lower limit is t minus u of t minus b minus u of t minus c. Then we have the third one plus f3 of t into u of t minus c. So what we must do now, we multiply this one and simplify this one. If we simplify this one, we can write it as f1 of t into u of t minus a, and here u of t minus b is there, here u of t minus b is there, so I am taking u of t minus b outside, so that we can write it as f2 of t minus f1 of t into u of t minus b, plus the third one f3 of t minus f2 of t into u of t minus c. So first the given function should be expressed in this format, then we can apply the Laplace transformation to find out the answer by using the unit step function. So we discuss the problem on this one. So here Laplace transform for the function f of t equal to t in the interval 1 less than t less than or equal to 2 and t square in the interval t is greater than 2. So here to solve this one, what we can do? First we must express it in the form of above step. So here first we must write it f of t is nothing but f1. Here we can see f1 is there. So first we write it f1. f1 is nothing but t into u of t minus a is there. A is the lower limit. So a lower limit is 1. So u of t minus 1 plus. Then we take the second term t square minus the first term is t. f1 of t is t. So t square minus t and upper limit is u of t minus 2. So here while solving the problem we can apply the Laplace together. Here Laplace of f of t. Now I am applying the Laplace. So Laplace of t into u of t minus 1 plus t square minus t into u of t minus 2. So here by using the terms, what we must do here, remember Laplace of f of t minus a into u of t minus a, we can write it as e power minus as, and this one we must write it as Laplace of f of t plus a, so that this become t. We can apply the Laplace. So similarly here this u of t minus 1 is there. For this one we can write it as e power minus 1s. Then here t is left out. Laplace of t should be replaced it as t plus 1. Here t minus 1 is there. We must replace it as t plus 1 so that it become u of t plus this one e power u of t minus 2 is there. We can write it as e power minus 2s into Laplace of t square minus t and replace t as t plus 2. Here t minus 2 is there. We must replace t equal to t plus 2. Now, so first we replace e power minus s and t is written as t plus 1 plus e power minus 2s, and here I am replacing t as t plus 2. So this become t plus 2 whole square minus t plus 2. So we simplify, otherwise we can apply the limits, we can apply the Laplace. So Laplace of t plus 1 I am writing as it is plus e power minus 2s. Here first I am expanding this one, a plus b whole square, so t square plus 4t plus 4 minus should be multiplied here minus t minus 2. So here if we simplify this one, we get e power minus 2s Laplace of t square. 4t minus t is 3t plus 3t, 4 minus 2 is plus 2. Now this is the form of Laplace of f of t. Now we can apply the answer. So here e power minus s. Now I am applying the Laplace. Laplace of t is nothing but 1 by s square plus 1 is 1 by s plus e power minus 2s into Laplace of t square is 2 factorial dividing by s power 3 plus 3 into 1 by s square plus 2 is 2 by s. So we put the bracket. This is nothing but Laplace of f of t for the given function f of t equal to t in the interval 1 to 2 and t square for t greater than 2.